What's going on, guys? Eric from the Wisco Guys here today, and in today's video we're going to be doing 194 bulbs from Auxito for the Ford Ranger for the license plate bulbs. If you guys don't know, Auxito, they helped us with this truck. We did the whole front end of the truck, but there's still a few things that we need to change out. So if we look here, we have the stock halogen license plate bulbs. Not very bright at all, really. I mean, yeah, it's not, I mean, it just doesn't look good. So we have these. We're going to switch these out real quick and show you guys what the difference is. So I'm going to start with this one, and we're going to compare the stock halogen 194 bulb with the Auxito 194 bulb. So let's get these out. So what we're gonna want to do is crawl underneath, and you'll see that plug right there, the wire going right to it, right there. So we're gonna pull that one out. And there you see the 194 bulb. So we're going to pull that out, set that off to the side. Now we have our Auxito LED bulb, 194 bulb. And we're going to put that in there. So that's in there. So then we're going to take our 194 bulb and we're going to put it back in the housing there, twist it back in, and there we go. So let's take a look at the comparison and see what it looks like from the stock one to the Auxito 194 bulb. Alrighty, so we got that in there. There's the stock one. I like that a lot better. Just makes it cleaner. Makes it that bright white that we're looking for. So there we go. That's what we got. I'm liking it. I'm gonna switch that other one real quick and get that switched out. So now that we have both of them in there, let's take a look and see what they look like as a pair. Oh yeah, that's better. There we go. That's looking pretty good. I like that. So definitely go down to the link below. I'm going to link these exact bulbs in the description below. I'm going to link Auxito's website as well too. And in the description below, check out the discount code that will get you 12% off. The Wisco Guys will get you 12% off at the time of checkout. So you want to put that in for the code at time of checkout, the Wisco Guys, and you'll get 12% off your whole order. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely check out Auxito. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you have any questions or comments or anything. And thanks, guys. Have a good day, night, or evening, whatever you're having. And definitely check out Auxito. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Bye.